found a cocoon of a butterfly. One day, a small opening appeared. He sat and watched the butterfly for several hours. It struggled to squeeze its body through the tiny hole. Then it stopped as it couldn't go further. So the man decided to hack the butterfly. He took a pair of scissors and snipped off the remaining bits of cocoon. The butterfly emerged easily, but it had a swollen body and shriveled wings. The man continued to watch it, expecting that any minute its wings could enlarge. Yet nothing happened. It spent its life crawling around. It was never able to fly. Sometimes struggles are what we need in our lives. They make us strong and we can soar high.